So today I'll show you how to replace any faulty windshield washer nozzles. I'm halfway through making a windshield cowl replacement video, so I do have mine out. The procedure will be the same if you have it inside the vehicle. Pretend it's inside the vehicle. This will be even better because I can show you everything from underneath. So each nozzle is held in basically by a clip behind it, and you can press in on the bottom of it to push it through. This inside the vehicle, all we'll have to do is disconnect this T, which will be connected to the car. Like so. And then we'll press in from the inside. Disconnect the connector, this electric connector at the end, and slide it through. That's how you replace your windshield nozzles. Pretending this is inside the vehicle, you would reach in, feel around, find where it's connected to the T. We found that it's connected to the T here. Disconnect nozzle, like so. Then we reach in, press it against that thing. And we can remove the windshield washer nozzle, like so.